More than just your kitchen. It's your place of exploration, where you create something delicious and shape something beautiful. For you, KitchenAid offers more than an oven. Introducing the KitchenAid Smart Oven Plus with powered attachments that let you steam, grill, or crisp. Like the KitchenAid stand mixer, its attachments connect to a powered hub. You direct the oven through its touchscreen, your tablet, or smartphone. The oven controls the attachments, so every recipe comes out as beautifully as you imagine. Of course, you'll also find even heat true convection and all the baking and broiling features you expect in the Smart Oven Plus with powered attachments from KitchenAid.
How long is the wine good for once you pop the cork? That wine won't stay perfect forever. All wines begins to change when they are open. Even on the first day, the taste isn't the same. Why does it matter? Because when we want to enjoy a glass of red wine alone, or have 2 glasses of different wines with our friends, we give up too often.
With Albicchiere, the smart wine dispenser, you don't have to give in anymore. And that glass, served at the right temperature, will be perfect. You will enjoy it like you've never had before.
Each wine selection is actually designed to be enjoyed at a precise temperature. It is the only way to unleash all the unique aromas and flavors that every wine can offer, as if it comes directly in the winery. In our house, all the wines are the same. The red ones at the room temperature, the white wines at the refrigerator temperature. But Albi independently recognizes your wine and serves it at the ideal temperature. But if you prefer a different temperature, you can adjust it with your app. You can schedule your wine to be ready for when you return back from the office, for example, and keep your personal winery under control.
Alexa, what are you suggesting for tonight?
There's the San Giovanni that's about to expire.
Albi knows when your stock is running low, and it will ensure you will never run out of it.
You can change wine in 5 seconds, during the same dinner, even for a single glass. Because then you can forget it for the next 6 months. And without service costs, you no longer have to buy gas refills and spare needles. You only pay what you drink, and you can preserve all your wines and not just the special ones.
The problem of open wine is the container, which being rigid, it allows the wine to always be in contact with oxygen and starts the oxidation process. The only solution is to use a flexible container that always has the shape of the remaining wine. And you will be able to open any bottle and preserve it easily with the smart wine bags.
We had our community try the first prototypes and the feedback was fantastic. We wanted to create a professional device available to everyone. Support us now. and start enjoying every glass of wine like you've never done before. Cheers!
TM6. The all-new Thermomix can weigh, chop, grind, grate, steam, whisk, mix and boil. But for the first time ever, new cooking modes add more haute to your cuisine, giving you more wows and yummy mummies. More tenderness made effortless. More homemade yogurt and cheese. More pulled pork at the next garden party. More taste highlights by adding roasting aromas. And caramel creations prepared in a jiffy. The new Thermomix is cleaner, more powerful, and psst, it's quieter. With a way larger display, a highly intuitive user interface, and recipe recommendations, making the best homemade meals easy peasy. Built-in Wi-Fi and Cookie-Doo provide daily inspiration with over 40,000 guided cooking recipes created and shared all over the world, regardless of which device you use. And the best part? It gets better and better all by itself, just like you. TM6, the all-new Thermomix by Vorwerk.
You've never seen a toaster like this before because it's never existed before. Introducing the R180, the world's first high-speed smart toaster from Revolution Cooking. Featuring the biggest advancement in heating technology in over 100 years and the first ever user-friendly digital touchscreen display. No more heating coils from the 1800s or toasting the way your great-grandparents did. Just simple, delicious 21st century toasting the way technology intended. Outside, its brushed stainless steel finish and sleek, modern design are worthy of any kitchen countertop. Inside, the R180 features an exclusive diamond-shaped heating system with smart time and temperature controls that heats up and toasts faster, offers true consistent browning while using less energy. Now check out this digital touchscreen, the first of its kind on any toaster. After placing your food in the toaster slots with the cut sides facing inward for bagels and English muffins, use the touchscreen to select which food you're toasting. Pick from 5 food settings: breads, bagels, English muffins, toaster pastries, or waffles. Next, select from 3 toasting modes: fresh, frozen, or reheat depending on your food of choice. And finally, select your desired toasting preference from 7 browning levels. When the start button flashes, give it a tap and watch the countdown timer during the last 10 seconds. And our exclusive smart algorithm temperature control system ensures consistent results. The R180 redefines what it means to be a smart toaster. Oh look, toast just the way you like it. Crunchy outside yet moist and flavorful inside. How smart is that? When not in use, the touchscreen will display date and time in either digital or analog mode, making the R180 attractive and functional. You can also personalize your toaster. Press the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings menu. From here, you can select your ideal settings and functions for things like the volume for the alert when your food is done toasting, the brightness level for the digital touchscreen, and even a setting for large bakery bagels. And there's also a removable crumb tray and reminder to alert when it's time to clean. Additional features for the R180 include auto lift and lower and a countdown timer so you can see when your food is almost done. So there you have it, the all-new R180 high-speed smart toaster from Revolution Cooking. Much faster, smarter, and delivering tastier food than any toaster you've ever used before. As we like to say, the best thing since sliced bread now toasts it.
Description to get this product today at the best price.